Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Characterai shows the error. Currently, we are receiving more requests than we are comfortable with. So let's get started. So if you are facing this error, you have to follow this easy step. So basically, you can wait for some time. If you can open your Characterai, you can make a new account because in the new account they focus in the customer satisfaction many a times. Okay, it is not important, they will always, but in some cases. Okay, so you can directly go to their website like Characterai. Just go to the Characterai beta website. So from here, log in with your account and log in with a new account, and you can use it. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.